Welcome to this video presentation here at Glenbourne's, and here we have the Volkswagen Beetle on a 17 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can see it's a 3-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area of the vehicle first. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors and plenty of boot space as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way around. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, we have the speedometer in the center, and on the right-hand side, the fuel gauge. In the sensor, you've also got the digital readout for the speedometer. We're on the driving data menu at the moment, so lots of bits of kind of fuel economy and trip computer information, as well as the total miles for this car, which are only 14,679, as you can see. You can change that for other menus as well, all of which is done using the buttons on the right-hand side of the steering wheel just here. Over on the left-hand side, we have our phone and our stereo controls, and then into the center is where you'll find the main stereo itself. You can see there's a visual guide to the parking sensors on screen just there. You can exit out of that or just press any one of the buttons you want to take you into these other menus. And you can see with regards to the radio, we've got DAB, FM and AM radio. If you want to listen to your own music, you can do so a number of ways, including Bluetooth audio. So once you've paired your phone, you'll be able to make and receive phone calls and stream your music wirelessly as well. Pairing your phone is easy. Hit that button and then just follow the instructions on screen from there. Below that, we've got our air conditioning. So you can adjust the temperature, fan speed and direction of the air. That's your air conditioning turned on. You can also recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly in here, depending on the temperature you've set just here, of course. We have got a heated passenger seat and a heated driver's seat, both with 3 separate heat settings on each. Below that, we can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic, which in turn will save you fuel. The system is off when that light shows. You can turn your parking sensors on and off as well. We have USB and auxiliary input down the bottom here, the gear lever for your 6-speed manual gearbox, and a 12-volt charging socket. And then back here in between the seats, 2 cup holders as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Glenbourne's. We'd love to hear from you.